Hi everyone, Artur from Vlayer here. I'm super excited to introduce you to Vlayer superpowers for Solidity developers. So first I will start with showing you what you can get out of Vlayer, what you can build with it. Then I will briefly explain how it works behind the scenes. Next, I will cover bounties for this hackathon. And finally, I will show you how you can start building. So long story short, we have 4 new superpowers for Solidity developers. First, we have web proofs that allow you to bring any private Web2 data on-chain, so you can turn HTTP request into web proof using our browser extension or server-side proving. Then we have email proofs, which allow you to turn email message into the zero-knowledge proof that can be verified on-chain. And finally, we have time travel and teleport. Time travel allow you to jump to the certain block number and read state in the history. And teleport is quite the same thing, but you can jump to some other chain and basically read cross-chain data and again verify it in your smart contracts. And now I think it's perfect moment to talk how it's even possible. Well, Vlayer introduced a new execution model, so we have 2 types of Solidity smart contracts: prover and verifier. Prover is something that is executed off-chain, so you don't have to worry about gas fees or that your sensitive data will be read from public mempool. So all inputs are private by default. And thanks to the precompiles that are available in Vlayer ZK EVM, you have access to superpowers. So you can jump to some specific block numbers, or you can deal with JSON or email messages inside your Solidity code. Here is example of the prover. We have Bored Ape ownership checker, which jumps to the if mainnet to the specific block number with set chain ID function. Then we are getting owner of not from the current block, but from the specific block to we jumped before. So any invocations of other functions after the set chain ID would be executed in the context of this specific chain and this specific block number. Finally, we are returning a cryptographic proof plus variables that are becoming public inputs, so you have to use a specific proof with specific public inputs in our verifier. And verifier is something that validates computations of provers. So we have only verified modifier. It's checked in regular EVM chain. You can use a regular Solidity for that. So for example, here you have to pass a proof plus the public input, which is the owner in that case. And then as long as the zero-knowledge proof matches the public input, the code would be executed. Otherwise, only verified modifier will revert execution of that contract. So you may be wondering what kind of things you can build with that. With web proofs, for example, you can use some responses from Revolut or some other fintech or government services and turn this HTTP responses into the web proof that can be verified on-chain. So for example, you can mint tokens based on the data that is living in the real world. In terms of email proofs, you can, for example, use email as some kind of form of resetting access to some account abstraction wallet. In terms of bounties, I think just head over to our official section in the ETHGlobal Hackathon. We have 4 prizes: most inspiring use of Vlayer superpowers. So we would like you to build some customer facing crypto application that is using Vlayer behind the scenes. So we don't limit you on any features that you have to use. As long as you have prover and the verifier deployed, you are good to go. And then we have a best use case of web proofs, email proofs, and time travel or teleport. If you are interested in some specific ideas, just let us know on our Discord, Telegram, or in person, and we'll try to help you out polishing your idea. However, in terms of installation and how to start with Vlayer, I think the easiest way is just head over to book Vlayer XYZ. Here you have the installation section where just make sure that you have supported platform and all prerequisites installed in your system. Then head over to the first steps with Vlayer, and here I highly encourage you to start a new project using a new template. So for example, if you would like to build something with email proofs or teleport or time travel, just get the template, because you will get a front end plus contracts plus scripts. So it's very easy to start with these templates and just modify them for your specific ideas. And that's all that I prepared for you. I wish you a happy hacking and see you on ETHGlobal Prague.